Hi, my name is Chris Heidebrecht.
And I'm Melissa Burns, and we're from the Louis Riel School Division.
We're here to give you some tips and tricks on how to roll out Level Up Winnipeg with your classroom. It's important to note that as a teacher, you don't have to have experience or expertise in using Minecraft with your students. It's all about driving the inquiry question: how can we envision a connected, equitable, and sustainable downtown that moves Winnipeg forward without leaving anyone behind?
This project is going to run from April 10th till May 26th, but even if you choose not to submit anything for the actual contest of Level Up Winnipeg, there's lots of really rich learning opportunities for your class no matter what grade they're in. There are also a lot of really great and valuable resources on your divisional homepage, so make sure you check that out for lots of teacher support, student guides, and your link for final submission. To find the Minecraft world, you're going to open Minecraft, click Play, View Library, and Monthly Build Challenges. There you'll find the Level Up Winnipeg world. Once you're inside, students will have the unique opportunity to visit downtown Winnipeg, featuring Old Market Square, the Legislative Building, and Thunderbird House.
Here they'll chat with prominent Manitobans who will provide information and further resources that students can use to continue to work on their inquiry question. Finally, students will visit the area around the Museum for Human Rights. This is where they can be creative and build their solution.
In-game learning is best supported with classroom activities that explore themes such as sustainability, transportation, food security, and housing.
You may want to examine some of the resources provided by characters in the game as a whole class. As with any inquiry question, stations, videos, discussions, writing prompts, and research time all support a student's final product. This will allow limitless connections to curricular content. Look for ways to tie this project into areas that make sense for your grade and class. Also, having students draft the design outside of Minecraft based on their research provides a chance for feedback from peers or you, the teacher.
From a technical standpoint, here are 6 best practices to set you up for success. Number 1, co-create expectations with your class so everyone knows how the experience should look, sound, and feel.
Number 2, model the experience by projecting the world onto the board and guiding your students through before allowing them to break off into small groups or access the world as individuals. Number 3, allow students the opportunity to create their own small groups for this project. This allows for greater voice and agency in the direction that they take their research. Number 4, after exploring the world, spend time out of game discussing and researching topics related to the inquiry question. Have students draft concepts out of game and get feedback for revisions to enhance the learning and their final product.
Number 5, assign a leader to each group who's responsible for exporting and saving their build progress after every session. Save the files in a central location so that the group always has access to the latest progress, even if someone's away from school. It also acts as a really great backup in case someone accidentally blows up the build. And number 6, if you decide to submit any of your students' builds, you can do that from going to your divisional homepage and finding the link for Flip right there. You can also screen record and do the voiceover within the app itself, so it keeps it all really centralized.
As you move forward with Level Up Winnipeg in your class, remember, you don't have to be the expert in Minecraft. Just support the inquiry process.
K-12, all participation is welcome. The possibilities are endless. The city is listening, and they can't wait to see how your students reimagine a more sustainable, equitable, and connected downtown.
It's time to level up, Winnipeg.